All right, top focus story is NEET and JEE exams and the entire debate over it. Chief ministers of 7 states are all now set to move a petition in the Supreme Court to challenge the centre's decision to hold NEET and JEE examination. All of this despite COVID-19 concerns, despite possibly a digital dharna which is going on by many students online campaigning to postpone NEET and JEE exams. Well, this was decided that 7 CMs would in all probability approach the Supreme Court at a meeting called by Congress President Sonia Gandhi.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi makes her first public appearance after her tenure was extended on Monday, bringing together opposition-ruled states on one platform in support of lakhs of students demanding postponement of NEET and JEE. The leader wasted no time in attacking the Narendra Modi government, accusing it of putting students in trouble. It was the West Bengal Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, who set the agenda. She came down heavily on the centre for thrusting its policies on states.
कि देखो आपका सारा देश भर यही जगह सेंटर होगा वो सेंटर में इतना 25.50 लोग 50 लाख इतना करीब स्टूडेंट एग्जाम में बैठेंगे कैसे बैठेंगे नो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नो फिजिकली डिस्टेंसिंग उसका लाइफ सिक्योरिटी है उसका लाइफ का सिक्योरिटी बर्बाद हो जाएगा अगर वो करियर के लिए जा रहा है तो उसको सिक्योरिटी भी मेरा हम लोगों को देखना कर्तव्य है कैसे हम स्टूडेंट लोगों को जिंदगी खतरा में डाल सकते हैं ताकि हम लोग में
Mamata's proposal was endorsed by all other 6 chief ministers.
कुछ राज्य नसीब वाले हैं और वो नसीब वाले ही रहे कि जहां उनके यहाँ इसका ये संक्रमण कम हुआ होगा अच्छी बात है लेकिन आज के दिन हमारे यहाँ तो वैसे नहीं है हमारे यहाँ बहुत ही केयरफुली हमें आगे जाने की आवश्यकता है और इसीलिए आदित्य ने कहा कि एकेडमिक ईयर हम आगे करें क्या जनवरी से शुरू करें क्या
NEET and IT and the JEE, common law, aptitude test, etc. These can be done online. Nobody is on the professionalism. Nobody is saying that it shouldn't be online. They can be done online, and I think Government of India should agree. It's been happening in the past. It's happening now all over the world. Why can't it happen here?
The centre so far has turned a blind eye to student protests.
JEE के जो कुल छात्र थे वो 8.58 लाख छात्रों ने अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था और उसमें से कल तक 7,25,000 छात्रों ने एडमिट कार्ड को डाउनलोड कर दिया 99% बच्चों की जो प्राथमिकता थी कि मुझे ये केंद्र चाहिए उस केंद्र को दिया गया हम छात्र के साथ हैं पहले उसकी सुरक्षा उसके बाद उसकी शिक्षा
The National Testing Agency issued safety norms for medical and engineering entrance exams. NEET exam centers will be increased by 51%. Number of students in one room will be capped at 12. Strict social distancing norms, apart from masks and sanitizers, will be enforced. The entry to exam centers will be staggered. Students will have to clear a thermal scan for gaining access. And every centre will have an isolation room for those running high temperature.
The issue has given Congress party a golden opportunity to unite opposition forces against Modi government, a moment it's been long waiting for. With centre adamant, a showdown in the apex court appears imminent. Expect more opposition-ruled state governments to join the bloc and show solidarity with distressed students. With camera person Himanshu, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
Well, the opposition, which has usually been seen as being fractured on most issues, has surprisingly come together on the issue of NEET and JEE to postpone these exams. But the opposition aside, what do the students think? We spoke to some of the JEE NEET aspirants about what they have to say on these exams being conducted this September, while the caseload is still increasing. Listen in to all these reactions.
मेरे पापा और मम्मी दोनों ने मना कर दिया है कि अगर 13 सितंबर को पेपर हुआ तो बेटा तुमको पेपर नहीं लेना है इस साल ड्रॉप कर दो.
I think the recent decision by the Supreme Court and the central government to go ahead with the NEET and the JEE examinations is not the best that we can do for the students of this country.
मैंने अपना कल सेंटर चेक किया पटना आया है भागलपुर और पटना की दूरी लगभग 234 किलोमीटर की है मैं सरकार से सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं पूरा बिहार बाढ़ से पीड़ित है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की कोई फैसिलिटी नहीं है, केस रोज बढ़ रही है, सीवियर जोन में हम रह रहे हैं, हम कैसे जाएंगे सर?
On one hand, the center talks of reducing the social disparity in the national education policy, which is not even a constitutional legal document, and on the other, we have them totally neglecting the tribal and rural pockets in terms of taking national level exams.
फैमिली वालों में कोरोना फैल गया, फिर क्या होगा? आप दोगे पैसे? एनटीए वाले देंगे क्या हमें पैसे? ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, एडमिट कार्ड इशू कर दिया, इतने सारे बच्चों ने एडमिट कार्ड निकाले, अरे निकाला ही है, पेपर देने नहीं गए.
Probability of getting infected in closed spaces are very much high.
There are 16 lakh students appearing and 3,800 centers. Now, social distancing would be a total myth with 400 students and 400 parents outside every center.
The whole government is running virtual now. Why are we forced to step out, travel long distances and attend the exam where we can expect a mass gathering?
We need better transportation, more test centers and better SOPs not only for inside but also outside the test center.
My exam center is Bhubaneswar, which is 450 km far away from my home. I have 3 exams in between September 7 to September 13. So how can I travel 6 times for 3 exams?
Why not exam centers in every district headquarters so students can easily appear for exam?
And we are all prepared for the examination, but we are not prepared to face this pandemic situation.
We are not asking you to cancel them, just postpone them till situation becomes better.
It's building up a mental tension. Every day our efficiency is decreasing day by day. What we were in the mentality in May, it's been degrading and we are in a very critical position, and if it further delays, we would not be in a position and at a mental level to appear the exam.
I have a yes for the conduction of NEET 2020 exam with all the preventive measures regarding COVID-19.
The exams are not taken this year, then next year seats will remain the same, but the number of students will rise. Also, there is no certainty of vaccine.
Any further delaying this examination would be resulting in loss of our curriculum and loss in the opportunities to gain skills.
जितना स्ट्रेच होता जाएगा एग्जाम, उतना हम लोगों पे ही प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है और चिंता बढ़ते जा रही, पता नहीं क्या होगा. तो अगर अभी एग्जाम हो जाएगा तो सही भी रहेगा, हम लोगों पे स्ट्रेस कम.
I have been preparing for last 2 years for this exam, and I am very confident right now to write my exam. So I am pretty sure that government should take some right measures to make sure that no one catches or there is no case for corona.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.